Hi everybody. Today I want to show you these shoes that I just got. They're from Jousen Milan and they come in this box, and they also have these extra inserts that you can use just in case you need them. They're very comfortable and I already have one on. They're boots, as you can see, and I already have one, so you can wear it like this or you can wear it like that. They're very comfortable. The leather smells really nice. As you can see, the design, this is what I chose. They have a lot of different designs. I'm going to post them right here. Um, the sole of the shoe, it's very comfortable, very sturdy, and I mean, I can't say enough. The craftsmanship seems to be really good, um, and good quality. The cushion inside is really nice. So again, they're very comfortable. I've used them already a few times and no complaints there. And again, they look really, really nice, and it gives you the different options to wear them. And again, they have sneakers, they have sandals and different type of shoes, smooth shoes and loafers. So very nice. So I hope that you guys find that as comfortable, as good quality, and as stylish as I am.